Second question of this paper is of permutations and combinations. Find the number of ways in which a committee of 6 people can be chosen from 6 men and 8 women if it must include 3 men and 3 women. This part of question is of combination because there is no specific arrangement, there is no order. This is just a selection. So this part is of combination, not of permutation, because these words indicate that the question is of combination. Committee and chosen, these are very, very important words for combination. So we have to find the number of ways in which a committee of 6 people, we have to choose 6 people uh, from 6 men and 8 women. Restriction is if it must include 3 men and 3 women. So total men 6, women 8, total people uh, become 6 plus 8, 14. But restriction we have to select 6 people. No, a restriction is that 3 men and must include these 6 people must include 3 men and 3 women. So we will take men from 6 men and 3 women from 8 women. So we will write 6C3 into 8C3. These are total 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 8 14. So after calculating after calculating it, we get the answer is 1120. This is the answer. Now part B of this question is a different committee of 6 people is to be chosen from 6 men and 8 women. A different committee of 6 people is to be chosen from 6 men and 8 women. Uh, 3 of the 6 men are brothers. 3 of the 6 men, out of 6 men, 3 are brothers. Part B, this question is again from combination because chosen word is there. Find the number of ways in which this committee can be chosen if there are no restriction on the numbers of men and women. But restriction is that, but it must include no more than 2 of the brothers. Total brothers are 3 out of 6 men. Restriction is that it must 6 people commit. There are 6 people in the committee. It must these 6 people. It must include no more than 2 of the brothers. The first total people of the committee are 6. 6 men and 8 women. Total people 14. There are 3 brothers. Total men are 6 In these six men, there are three brothers. Let we represent the brothers M1, or simply we can represent it by B. B for brother. So we can use a letter B. B1, B2, and B3. These are brothers. So we will take no more than two of the brothers. This means that we can take uh, no more than two means we can take two or one or no from these three brothers. There are three options. First, we are taking uh, no brothers from these three. So we write 3C0 and the remaining are 6 minus these three brothers 3, 3 plus 8, remaining are 11. Now we will take 6 people from the remaining. Now total committee people are 6. So this is the first option. Second option, now we are taking one from these brothers. From these brothers, we are taking one brother. So 3C1, but we need five more people to make five people because there are total people are six in the committee. So we will take five people from the 11 people. So we'll write 11C5. In the same way, third option is now we are taking two brothers 3C2 because total brothers are 3. 3C2 and remaining people 11. Now to make 6 we will take 4 from these 11. 11C4. Total in each is 6. Now we calculate these options or get answer of the first option is 462 after calculating. Second answer of second option is 1386. Answer of third option is 990. Now we are adding these numbers 462 plus 1386 plus 990. Finally we get answer is 2838. This is the answer.